everyone, so not only is this storage bench that I was gifted from the brand SICOTAS functional, but it also is absolutely stunning and beautiful, and so I'm so excited to tell you everything you're going to want to know about it.
Installation was simple and straightforward. It took about 30 minutes and overall was a very clean process. It did provide a Allen wrench, but we did need to provide our own Phillips screwdriver. You can tell though that it comes with this nice quality wood. Look at that beautiful texture that it has right there. This particular one is the gray alder. And here is what a side view of it looks like. I love that it has those little handles right there, so then you can easily move it around and carry it if needed. I also really love that this bench is with rounded corners because I do have kids. But anyways, look at this beautiful waveform design. I really just like the aesthetic that it brings to our home. And here is a close-up of what you can expect. Keep in mind that the color of the wood changes based on the shadow and where I'm at. Anyways, I love that this is a functional storage bench, and so you can see all of the different space that it has. It also comes with this nice little pad on the different corners, so when I do close it, it is nice and quiet. And then you can see these nice hinges, which just allow a smooth close when opening and closing this storage bench. Here I have 4 decently sized blankets in this bench, and you can see there is still plenty of space to put more stuff inside of it.
So I'm going to show you just how simple and quiet it is to open this. Plus, the really cool thing is wherever I push it down or open it to, if I want it to stay in this position, it automatically stays. So cool.
We have this bench just in our living room area, and it is great because it can hold up to 220 pounds, so I can sit on it, but it also is wonderful in a bedroom in a variety of different places. Anyways, I absolutely love it. I think it is so beautiful and so worth it. So if you're looking for a storage bench, I definitely recommend this one.